Why your Facebook Reels aren't getting views. Are your Facebook Reels missing the mark with views? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many content creators face this challenge. Let's dive into the main reasons your Reels may not be attracting the attention they deserve, along with effective strategies to boost your visibility. 10 major reasons for not getting views on your Facebook Reels. Understanding the reasons behind low view counts is the first step toward improvement. Here are some key factors to consider. 1. Purchased views from spammy websites. Buying views might seem like a quick fix to enhance visibility. However, purchasing them from unreliable sources can damage your reputation. These views often come from fake accounts, leading to low engagement rates and potential penalties from Facebook. Solution: use a secure provider like Media.Mister to gain views from genuine accounts. This approach not only boosts visibility but also maintains your account's integrity. 2. Your account is shadow banned. A shadow ban occurs when Facebook restricts your content, making it invisible to users. This can significantly reduce your visibility, often as a result of violating Facebook's policies. To recover from a shadow ban, ensure your content aligns with Facebook's guidelines. Avoid banned hashtags and engage genuinely with your audience to restore your reach and improve engagement with your Reels. 3. Not creating content for your audience. Another common mistake is failing to create content that resonates with your target audience. Producing irrelevant or repetitive content can result in low viewer engagement. Solution: understand your audience's interests and tailor your Reels to meet their preferences. This targeted approach can increase the value of your content and foster a stronger connection with your viewers. Additional notable reasons for low views. Beyond the first 3 reasons, several other factors can contribute to the lack of visibility on your Facebook Reels. 4. Poor quality content. Content that lacks quality, whether in terms of production or storytelling, can turn viewers away. Prioritize efforts on making visually appealing and engaging Reels. 5. Posting at the wrong times. Timing is crucial in the social media world. Posting during hours when your audience is inactive can lead to fewer views. 6. Lack of engagement. Failing to interact with your viewers can affect your content's visibility. Engaging with comments and feedback can increase your reach and encourage more views. 7. Ignoring trends. Not leveraging current trends can prevent you from capturing your audience's attention. Stay updated with what's popular and consider incorporating it into your content. 8. Not using hashtags effectively. Using hashtags can significantly increase your reach, but only if you use them wisely. Avoid overusing irrelevant hashtags, as they can detract from your content's quality. 9. Neglecting video descriptions. A well-written description can support your video and attract more viewers. Use keywords that resonate with your audience to enhance searchability. 10. Failing to promote your Reels. Finally, don't forget to promote your Reels on other platforms. Cross-promotion can increase visibility and attract more viewers. Conclusion: if your Facebook Reels aren't getting the views you hoped for, it might be time to reevaluate your strategy. From avoiding spammy view purchases to ensuring your content aligns with your audience's interests, there are several proactive steps you can take. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.